Welcome to the Easy Tech News Fix-It channel, and we of course will take a look as we are the first day of a new month, February 1st, 2021. We'll be taking a look at the market share of the different operating systems that are available for our technologies around the world, desktop and mobile. And for January of 2021 by Global Stats Counter, Android dominating at 41.21%, and that is up or down, slightly down from 41.58% in December. So a slight drop in Android operating systems. We have Windows at 31.78. That is pretty much stable from 31.73 in December. So really not any changes there for this global number. iOS, which is iPhones, iPads, is at 16.81%. That is up from 16.58%. We have OS X, the Mac operating system, that is down. It was slightly down, 6.97 or almost 7%. It was 7.08, so a slight drop. Unknown, which probably has some Linux and other types of distros in here. Chrome OS showing up at 0.81%, and Chrome OS actually apparently had a pretty amazing year in its rise in sales of Chromebooks. So that should also help the Chrome OS operating system to make a rise, and a slow rise, but maybe a faster rise than we might think, as there's a lot of Chromebooks that were sold last year. So those are the numbers. Android and Windows, of course, the big dominating two, and that's fun to look at these numbers from time to time, see how they move and what direction they're going. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.